So can you give me the definition of matter? What I have said you earlier.
That matter is made
Mm.
up of molecules, and molecules are made up of atoms.
No, this is not a definition of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and some
Has a
mass.
mass.
Yes, that is matter. That is a different thing. वो किससे बना है क्या बना है वो this is a different thing. अगर मैं कहूँ what is matter, जैसे like pen, this is a matter or not?
Yeah.
No.
No, I said yes. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. This is also a matter. Like specs, this is also a matter. Everything that occupies space and have some mass is called matter. So charged particles in matter. You know this. These all some matters contain charged particles. Do you know about that?
Yes.
So give me some example if you know.
So like
Like stone. We if we rub the two stones, you know, that era ancient times, there is a charged particle, na? Like agar like there is a crackling, you know. What is crackling? There is a charged particle. If we rub two things, you know, that ancient times सुना तो होगा पढ़ा तो होगा I think it is in SST subject, you know, ancient time. Okay. So can you read that para for understanding the nature of charged particle? Okay.
for
Okay.
understanding the
I will explain. Okay. There is an activity. Have you ever tried like comb hair dry? You know बचपन में हम करते थे. तुमने कभी किया नहीं किया? जो ये पेजेस होते हैं उनको छोटे छोटे उसमें स्प्लिट कर दिया. Then you take a